Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of robotics and the latest buzz in Silicon Valley. Brace yourself, because robots are coming to your laundry room. Yes, you heard that right. The future of home robotics is starting with a humble task: folding your underwear. Now, you might be wondering, why on earth would anyone invest billions into robots that fold clothes? Well, it's not just about the laundry. It's about the bigger picture of bringing robots into our homes, and it's a lot more challenging than you might think. You see, the home is a robot's worst nightmare. Imagine a robot trying to navigate through a chaotic living room with kids and pets running around. It's like a robot apocalypse waiting to happen. But laundry is different. It's a contained task, a safe haven for robots to showcase their skills without causing mayhem. And let's be honest, who doesn't hate folding laundry? It's the perfect entry point for robots to prove their worth. The challenge lies in teaching robots to handle deformable objects like clothes. It's one of the most complex tasks for a humanoid robot, requiring precision and dexterity. But the payoff is huge. If a robot can master laundry, it's a step closer to becoming a versatile home assistant. What's interesting is that this isn't the first time we've seen laundry folding robots. Previous attempts, like the infamous Laundroid, failed due to high costs and poor reliability. But now, with advancements in AI and hardware, startups are confident this generation will be different. They are betting on robots that can eventually do much more than laundry. However, we are not quite there yet. These robots are still expensive and not entirely reliable. They might fold your shirt in minutes, but they struggle with the unexpected. And let's talk about the price tag. These robots cost thousands of dollars, which is a tough sell when you can hire a human to do it for less. The real value will come when these robots can take on multiple chores. Companies are working on it. They are training robots to vacuum, organize, and even make coffee. But here's the catch: they are still stuck in the appliance mindset. Each robot is designed for a specific task, rather than being a versatile helper. To truly succeed, robots need to understand context and adapt to our needs. Another fascinating aspect is the data game. Robotic startups are desperate for real-world data to train their AI. They are using sensor-equipped gloves and even the robots themselves to gather information. This data is the key to unlocking a robot's full potential and making it a true household butler. So, while we are not quite at the stage of robot butlers, the journey starts with a simple task like laundry. It's a gateway to a future where robots seamlessly integrate into our homes, making our lives easier. But for now, let's just appreciate the fact that someone is finally offering to fold our laundry.